Hey, how's it going? Billy B here. Today I want to talk to you about the finger per fret exercise and finger exercises, and especially some exercises for the C chord, which some people find quite a stretchy chord to start. A lot of times when teaching the finger per fret exercise, people start off way up here, big reach, and you're using your first finger for the first fret, second finger, second fret, third finger, and fourth finger, and you start working your way down the strings like that. For somebody new, that could be a big stretch just to even get up there. So let's simplify this a bit. Let's go anywhere. The finger per fret method just means we're using one finger for each fret that we're moving to. So you're not just moving around with one finger all the time. And as you go up the fretboard, the frets get smaller, so that makes it easier for some of the finger exercises. So let's start with, let's just say even fret 7. Fret 7, we're going to place our first finger down, right there. Then the 8th fret, we're going to place our second finger down. And the 9th fret, our third finger. Each fret has its own finger. Now that's fine, you could just stay there and go back and forth. From there, maybe move up and down the string. You could stay on the same string. The whole goal is to really just get your fingers moving and get you moving on the fretboard. Go anywhere you want. And let's change strings even. Backwards, forwards. Up here. Just get your fingers moving. If you want to do that with 4 fingers, same idea. Move wherever you want. And as you get better at stretching, you're going to get down to the other frets where they start getting bigger. You're working a little bit of a stretch. Maybe you could start the exercises over here, where the frets are a little wider, but just move around. That's really the whole goal. And to maybe sync up your left and your right hand, so when you pick a note, you get better timing. So that's the first step. Now for the C chord stretching. Here's an exercise that we can use. I'm going to start on, let's start on the 5th. Okay, so we're going to start on the 5th fret on the first string. And we're just going to place our first finger there. We're not going to even pick that string, really. What we're going to do is we're going to use it as a placeholder. So first finger, first fret, that 5th fret on the first string. Now what we'll do is we're going to use our second finger on the 6th fret and third finger on the 7th fret. Now while leaving your first finger there, we're going to move up a string with our second finger and our third finger. Leave your first finger there again, move up, and work up as far as you can by leaving that first finger there. Back and forth. So now, when you're doing that, if you get used to that, then we start moving back, and we get into the first position where we would actually play the C chord, and you could do the same exercise. You're going to feel a bit more of a stretch because you have to reach out a little bit more. And that should help stretch out your fingers for your C chord. You can even start with maybe the first note of the C chord and work your way up. Leaving that first finger there and back. I hope that helps. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and leave comments below.